Do you want a remote job that is paying you in upwards of $70,000 per year? Well, if you're interested in that, stick with me to the end and I'm going to be sharing that with you.
Welcome to the Wealth Legacy Movement, the space where we help you build your wealth legacy through entrepreneurship, side hustles, high-paying jobs, and real estate ownership.
So thank you so much for joining me on this video where I'm going to be sharing with you a job that is paying in upwards of $70,000 per year. So I was on Indeed just, researching for remote jobs and I came across this one. It's a remote customer service rep position. As you can see, I'm on Indeed, right? And I'm going to be dropping the link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. But this job says Personal U, that seems to be the company, and it's in San Francisco, California, and it says remote, right? And it's $60,000 to $70,000 per year, and it's full time. So let's look at the job details. All right, so if you look here, you see the money, full-time, and then the benefits, right? And let's look at the job description. Main duties, it says effectively manage large amounts of incoming calls, emails, and text messages, answer customer calls, provide customers with order details, order status, part number availability, lookup, and service information, handles customers' inquiries, manages and resolves customers' complaints, researches required information using available resources, completes transactions and processes orders, routes call to appropriate resources if needed, documents all call information according to standard operating procedures and requirement, previous experience in customer service, client service, sales, or related field, excellent at communicating over the phone and other communication platforms, basic computer skills and experience, flexible hours, remote positions available, work from home. And it says the benefit 401k, matching 401k, dental insurance, and all of these benefits. Just go through them for yourself. And like I've always said, make sure that you are doing your research. Right here on Indeed, you can just research the company to see if what kind of company it is, the reviews that the company has gotten from employees, whether current or past. So just make sure that you are doing your due diligence. I'm just doing, basic research just to bring you these remote positions, these high paying positions, and you have to dig deeper to get more information. All right. So again, this is a remote customer service rep position and it's in San Francisco, California, but it's remote. So you can be anywhere and work this job. All right. So I'm going to be dropping the link in the chat so you can apply. But again, do your due diligence, do your research. All right. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon. But before I go, if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure you like this video and engage with us because that's how the algorithm works here on YouTube. You have to engage with us, like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for YouTube to push our videos out to more people. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload new video. I'll talk to you soon. Blessing, friends.